Or did you do that?
Because you weren't a year-long class. You guys remember, you weren't a year-long until, last year they decided you were going to be a year-long. Now, the first step in here, I know I brought a pencil with an eraser on it. Okay. The first step on here is to create my divider down the middle. Guys, you get one paper. You get two chances. You get the front and the back, and that is it. This paper is very expensive. So you get two chances, front and back, and that's it. Okay? Over here, you can't see. So my first step in here says divide my paper in half by drawing down 6 inches. I never start with the edge because it's never straight. So if I start with the one on the edge of my paper, please make sure that these are clean too. And make a mark at 7 because look, I need to go down 6 inches. And if I started at 1, so I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I make a line. Please tell me why I make more than one line. To make it straight. Is your picture going to look really good when your center line of your color wheel goes like this? Well, I guess you could do that, Liz, but make it like diagonal like that. Basically, you're dividing your picture in half is what's happening. Justin, are you in the cleaning mode today? He's like over there cleaning everything. Alright. Now, line it up. I would not draw my lines dark because if I'm using yellow paint, I'm not going to lie to you, yellow doesn't cover everything. And so if I use yellow paint, you'll see the line. So don't draw too dark, okay? This is my first step. Divide my paper in half, which is 6 inches. Does everybody see this? My next step is to mark over 3 inches. So if I start here, let's be honest, if I put this at the 1 and I count 3 inches, I end up at what? 4. And then I count 3 inches, I end up at 8. That's 4 inches. 1, 2, 3. I end up at 7, guys. And then I go 1, 2, 3. I end up at 10. And then at 13. And then at what? 16. Now look, I have to use my ruler, but guess what? When I remeasure this, it is exactly how many inches? 3. Okay? Again, I don't want crooked lines, so I go back to the top. And like I said, I have to do exactly what you're doing. So I'm making this for myself, so I have to do my neat, because this is what I'm going to be using. Just like you, I'll be creating one. Oops, almost did it wrong. Can't count today.